You say I want to go out on the road. Which me did already plan to go on the road. Me go carry you with me. And you know what I want you to do? Listen to me keenly. Yes, when you go out on the road, you don't know nobody. See, I'm blind here and deaf. Act like you don't see things that when you see it. You don't have no money if you buy nothing at all from nobody. All if you have money, you don't have no money. You understand me? If you even see somebody where you know, act like you don't even know them. Hold your head straight. You hear me?
Yes, mommy.
Okay, because you see this lifetime you are living in. You see the longer you keep your mouth shut, the longer you keep your mouth shut, and the longer you live.
Yes, mommy.
Remember when we said, see I'm blind here and deaf. He that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his?
Right.
Okay. So guess what you're going to learn to do? Mind your one?
Business.
Okay. So come on.
This time I'm not going to go back up here.
Come with you want to come?
I carry you, man. Not for yourself. Yeah, just I take care of them something here. Finish off with the funeral. And I'll your time. Alright, baby girl?
Yes,
So let's make mommy throw there. Hold up your head. What's up? Long time I not see you.
Yes,
We are
girl.
going with them.
How will you come?
The other day, big problem.
Alive.
Yeah, by them so
Oh,
all
go on, your
those
ear look
fire.
nice, though. You
Thanks.
look real nice.
Thanks.
Jesus Christ, me didn't know someone that see you again.
Husband dead.
Yo?
Husband.
Oh, God.
Not all of that.
Condolence.
Thanks.
Then do? Then dip you?
It's a lot.
Oh, God.
A lot.
Look here. Me don't go about my business, but when me see you in a long time, if you come out that son and go in and shade him, I can't look in my son, master. We have to go chat. A long time, we don't see one another. Master. Furniture. I soon talk to you. I talk to my friend. You know, pick me wait first. So you say me girl, then dip you.
Yes.
And your husband did 2 crosses one time. Condolence to you and your family. They there.
Sorry, I come to take care.
Oh my, you look nice to turn on your chain. That's that girl. You never see your mother chain and say good. The name part for the right here, so you have to fix up your mother, you know.
Yeah, but you doing?
Yes,
A lot.
Only for sitting good down.
Yeah. 9 days, 9 nights, funeral, all of the birthday, one in that stuff. But you know me a girl when I give her. As much as I take it, I try to start it, I feel right. But me I try to take care of this first. But it just come crashing down. I never expect this. I never had a report for this. Them say one day after the but I never expect
They come unexpected, but that's the way you have to learn
but
from
one
them.
problem after the other.
One problem after the other.
Man.
Answer.
So what?
Then say
So
two
one
trouble better than
somebody
one, but I lie them at tell. Because one I want big problem already and the next one go on your double problem. You can't manage it anyway. The only thing I have to tell you say, just pray for God give strength. Because me not say enough to cry over your husband that you know. I mean, me not say enough to feel no way because then deep you know. But you know you're a trying girl and I know you a long time. You can't fly out, but anyway, you don't have to go back to the same country. You have different country where you can go. And you even can go back there so too, maybe when they make different rules and things. I just say things you know. But anyway, as I said before, just continue to pray and ask God to give you strength. And you know and again if you want to have a chat, if you feel down, me as your friend for a long time, you can just call my phone.
Yeah,
I see a number me have, you
always
have it
let
or you
them
get
know.
different number.
You have to go give me a number.
Alright, so no worry yourself. Me figure out that day. Anyway, what you say now? Well, me not have a problem with that, you know. Because it's my friend daughter. But you have to be careful. You understand? Be careful. Come go on over here so go stand up and you can introduce yourself and tell no one come in and know your little friend so you just see her you don't know her from nowhere. And when you
But
talk
you say you get new friends.
Make sure you turn up right there, so. And make sure say anything you do is full your belly. Go on. No go further and right there, so no come out on the inside. Go on, you don't pumping it too much.
I'm back to body in a space, so I can't live.
What that mean, say? That mean, say?
You know it's not easy, but me I go do my thing and make sure it's everything alright. Me I go focus on my daughter. Onisa, she may focus on now. This time I not go leave her. I make sure carry her with me.
That's true. Oh, you see where I go on here now? And then my girl child?
Yes, nah leave her this time and I carry her with me.
Make sure, don't leave her.
Nah leave her.
Anyway, come on, come and go over me. I go over me and see something. Yeah. And then we go to the road. You're hungry, not you? Ah, Jesus. Where they go? There they go.
I want to go.
I yesterday from morning, I dig out your hand, nigga.
Bother with that now, babes, man. So ask me, I can't hold our vibes in the morning.
So every day you want whole vibes. You don't want work. You just want to turn up on that shop and peas and all about on the road and dig out your hand, nigga, like a flower you need.
At least I give me meds to go look work.
Oh, and friend, in much years now. You dey dig out your hand, Miguel, and it'll give you meds. So I know you can't get no work. So you rather turn up your so and dig out your hand, Miguel. More and find something give your daughter feed, not true?
Daughter. Boy, I'm leaving.
Me say if you rather turn up your
even
so.
if I might pick nothing
More than go work and find something to give your daughter to eat.
Even if I might pick this, I know.
What you mean?
It's even favor me.
All after how much years, now you're just a contact. Say she no favor you.
Let's say we get more some serious meds nowadays. I think I might pick that.
Okay.
Look for me, I'll look for now.
Okay. You don't think of your child? All of a sudden, you nobody believes say your child.
I don't believe that. I
Okay.
have to do a DNA.
You know go on?
I saw my yard start, I'm hungry now. Go for me and go to work one up for you.
Over which yard?
Over my yard.
No man, name that way me hand.
You can't do me that.
Near me and hold them the same way. Over who for yard?
No me build your house, man.
Me build which house?
The house.
Yeah work?
I'm used to work, you know.
No. Listen, if you come over in my yard, I don't say you can't come over there, no. But you ain't gonna get nothing to eat me there. Because my daughter hungry, and if sitting over my yard for them, me figure you instead of my daughter where you just at this one, so you don't trust her for your picnic.
Can't share.
What can share?
Can't share, man.
Go on back there, so go dig out your hand, nigga, and talk to the vibes where they make this so, and see if you get something for them. Nobody with me.
When you see them one nowadays, man. No, my yard, me I come go to, you know. I'm hungry, I lift me down, you know.
You follow back on me, Papa. Stop follow back on me, then walk by yourself and go on this part where they go.
Go on.
I don't know where you follow back on me, so every time you just follow me up. Stop follow me up. You just say me pick me look like I stay on yours. So why you follow behind me? Me and you live over the yard. You don't have to walk behind. You go on. You don't have to walk behind. We are top out. You come and say alright? Warm to you, you look so.
I feel so good in my belly, but I'm hurt me.
Warm to you, you have running belly?
My body does feel weak.
Oh God. So where your mother?
No, my mother there. I never grew up with no mother. I don't know my mother there. She don't exist.
So you know eat from morning or nothing at all. I want you to feel bad.
No, I don't eat from morning. You can't help me, please.
No, me can't help you. Me can't help you at all. All if me could have helped you, me wouldn't help you. See me have two old houses you have tumble down for me already. The little money we me have, I feel help them two, especially my daughter. I feel help the two of them, but the one you mostly. You understand? What do you mean where all house there? You have money?
I have money right now, but
you don't have no money, but you come there chat. You don't have no money. You know, stay with you having a fear pocket and fear and a robot so every day. Yes, because every day you have weed in a hand and mouth and back a year.
Sometimes I don't understand black people at all. Me they right just so they don't know argue about no business. If you want to help me. God not like wicked people, you know.
Why you not help her?
You can't do it. You can't do
You
it.
don't even have dry shit in your ass, but you come and chat. Look here. Me tired. Me can't have nobody right now. Right now, me have money to help me. See this a work list video. They follow back at me about money. Me have money.
Oh my God, no.
And you wicked. So you're not even mind your opinion. And me have your mind. Look here. Stop walk back at me and tell them. I shame you now. You work this now. You can't help her. Go help her. You can't help her. Me tired. Me tired. You hear your dirty pooper?
Yeah, you come and disrespect myself in front of everybody.
When you talk to me, not talk to me with your dirty cigarette where you have in your mouth. Not talk to me.
I want to take candy, man.
Me not like your style. Me tired to tell us to stop from smoke. What one? And you this a smoke, watch it. Cliff in a hand, cigarette back of ears. Me tired. Me not know a mouse me shake. I hope you me make me hear the cause. Me not like man with smoke.
You like when I smoke, so
You obey me. The other day, me go down the road and some people tell me how they see which woman we are Kingston run around bushy corner, a bushy part of town. How be a woman? And you must go time me, and that's why me can't find my pink dress.
You what?
Me can't find my pink panty, the one you did give me for my Valentine last year.
Me say your friend of a party last
Let which friend me and girl wear same dress. You better not ramp with me. You hear me? I tell you, the time you sit down and think negativity in your dirty brain, you go look walk and tap it smoking. I make me you can't agree.
Me say I weed that give me immense blow me off it down. Me a whole lot but me can't do nothing in life, you know. Like a mad out.
Until what talk to you.
What you say I want to cook?
Oh, on me and shit.
So drive
So you want little bun and you want juice and me have to give me daughter. Anyway, you say I no feel up it me.
You know why I'm been last night, man? Alright, snipe.
Hello. You see this? Take that. Me tired and yam that. Every day you feed me pan rice and tin mackerel. You feel say me hold this and me baby.
What I have to cook? You can't cook.
You can't eat it and you not get none. Go me and son.
What do you mean me not get none?
Whole black cow shit. Me nah give nothing for you. Me tired to cook for you. Me nah cook for you again. Me done cook for you. Me your time for cooking for you expire. This is 2025. I'm serious.
Can get tomorrow.
Well, my daughter come right here, so I'll tell her something. Wait there, I'll fix my clothes.
Like how you eat me that time.
Wait. You feel uncomfortable. You feel alright now. Let me tell you something. You see when me and your dirty poopa go through? You see when you get big? Talk loud, make them hear you. Don't pick up no crosses like this. See there? Inbreed me and me get pregnant with you. Me suffer for 9 months. Now me have you. He did one you all along. No friend I tell him fooling in the road and chewing the smoke. When they smoke, and everybody will smoke can take you weed, you know. Or the cigarette, you know. Make up inbreed. You want to say?
How you know I'm murder?
How you not look like him? He say right now he have to go do DNA. Me don't care. I don't have a problem. Cut out his hair here and go make them DNA it.
No,
I don't business. I don't give you no jacket. You alright. See there, you have your trunk pooper. Bunny half in yam without cheese and soda. See what you have in him out there. Don't give him none. You're in front of him right now. Papi ain't it? Don't give him no.
You serious?
Mm-hmm.
You go follow your mother?
Drink it.
Yes.
So me give my daughter.
Yes, I'm here for you.
When?
Oh, that's a while ago.
No, man.
When me and my mother want.
Ambition he no have.
Man. Oh, God, my daughter. My phone got all.
I know what me did say me I do a big mistake. I make the biggest mistake. I make a big mistake in my whole life.
Alright, then I move right to that.
Man like you, when woman they have sex with you now, then if you use condom. And make sure. And the kind of condom where we use, with man like you know, the higher one we can bust. That mean no breed we. And we no catch nothing. Dirty out this stuff I wanna come back in. I'm sorry. You can't find somewhere go live with your family them and leave me alone. But me you be lost. Me will give you back your money where you put in at this. Me can't bother.
Oh, me never want no money, man. Want to live with you?
Don't live with me. You have to go find one new man. It's new year. Go on where you go. My daughter, I'm sorry if you thought they fuck me in front of you, but me not tell no lie. You see it kind of graceful, dirty drunk. Yeah. You see him a go on?
Yes, mommy.
You see him behave?
Yes, mommy.
This one your butt. Remember me tell you. Take your book.
Yes, mommy.
Make sure you get some education. So when you get big like me, you know, can't suffer like me if a man can't treat you like shit. You hear what me I tell you? Me I tell you plain and straight. Me not grow no corner. You hear me?
Yes, mommy.
Education is the key to success. You hear me?
Yes,
no,
mommy.
no boy. No man. Nobody at all can style you and take you for idiot. You hear me?
Yes,
In
mommy.
case then this you little more in a life, you have your education, you subject them to go look a proper job, and then go and take with themselves.
Yes,
And
mommy.
be careful of the drunk them out the road. Them are wicked.
Yes, mommy.
Anyway, eat that. And can lie down and sleep and see me. I go out the door, go sit down here.
Yes, mommy.
Alright.
Very good though.
Yeah.
Eat already?
Yeah.
Make sure you drink tea, you know. That will be the first thing you can demand and say a prayer. Cool?
Yeah.
I leave out that out. I don't know what you do. Hi, pretty girl. Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Mm-mm-mm.
You alright? Oh, you look so.
I don't feel so good.
Where it hurt you?
I'm belly bottom I kill me feel like I go feel.
You know where? Where you from?
Yeah. From Matches Lane.
So you feel exactly?
Body just feel weak.
Your temperature high.
I don't feel so good.
You know, I don't have much money, but I'm gonna take you to the doctor because same I don't want somebody to take care of my daughter just in case she come through the same situation, alright? So just come. We shall go on the other side. You eat something as it? No?
Mommy, I have food over yard.
Alright, I'm gonna make sure you get something. Carry her to the doctor.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Kayla.
What's your name?
Kayla.
Alright, baby girl, Kayla. I am Serena. This one that's Anisha.
Onicia. Hi. Hi.
So I'm gonna take care of you.
I thank God someone help me.
You're welcome. Then when you take your medication, then one time you eat before you take it, alright?
Yeah. Daddy.
No. I just see me see her up the road and she never feels so good, so I'm take her to the doctor. I'm gonna get her the medication. Then my last I have, but I still make sure say she alright. You understand?
you
She
love
good
me,
man.
take a teeth in my teeth.
No, she not feel so good. She not feel good.
You don't get breakfast this morning. So why you not eat no breakfast?
I want a macaroni rice.
What do you mean by you don't want no macaroni and rice? I want me have me provide.
But that it make
Anyway.
me sick.
Where is that?
I'm gonna get her something for it. I'm gonna get her some medication. So make sure say she take it.
What me not no money?
It's okay. It's alright.
A piece of what me there go from
She
morning, me
good
people
man.
can't
You're
get
good.
no money.
Not for yourself.
Alright,
So
okay.
just and take time with her.
Yeah, me see.
Alright,
Alright, take care,
Serena.
baby girl. Alright.
Bye.
Because embarrass you want to embarrass me?
You are embarrassing, Daddy.
My daughter,
Yes, mommy.
don't stop and rest off because I'm tired. Can't go no further. I'm tired so big. Rest a little bit. I catch it like cool breeze, yeah. Tired bad. Because you see a lift fan over yard,
Yes, mommy.
you poop out that dead if you go look what can fix it. Big old dirty thinking workless man me pick up but me make them come breed me and come give me. Look how you're nice. Eh? You know, say if you chew me here inside other day, say, I wonder if him and your daddy. Come here one man went there before me and him there, you know. So maybe a jacket now. Say to him, do please me I beg in the name of Jesus kind. Don't chat boy mouth do DNA already.
Afternoon.
Afternoon. You know him?
No, mommy.
No, you mad.
But me don't know you either. Who you where you want?
I want to know you. Look like you're married. Oh, you're not married. Cause on the right hand there. So you live alone?
Sir, where you name?
Huh?
Where you come from and where you come about?
Mike.
Eh?
Mike, my name. Mike.
Mike?
Mm-hmm.
Where you live?
You live up the road there.
So I first me I see you. And you just come and just stand up and listen me and my daughter's story. That me not like we do
No, I wasn't. I wasn't fasting about your man. Now what this
Yeah.
and this and that. I wasn't overhearing that and she
You
had
hear
jacket
me say that about me
and
man?
this and that. No, me never did over listen. Me just I don't know.
Alright, where you come about?
Well, me I look at a woman. If you put on a yard, to take care of my daughter. That's enough come off of the road.
So, I devil tell if you come tap you so come me look desperate if you go leave a house with one need a dirty foot man. Because me don't have one dirty crosses already when I like walk.
I don't know if you live with him.
Oh.
You think you just
Right
separate?
now, me want to deport him from out of room.
Oh.
Me no want him there, but that don't mean say me need another dirty foot. Workless man we love smoke and turn up a place
No,
and beg.
look. We not deal with smoke it. I find it on the road. We not deal with smoking. No deal with smoking.
So I walk, you mad people. You not deal with smoking. Where you do with this?
I find it on the road.
So mad, me think a mad people alone walk and pick up things. You're mad.
How?
What you do with that?
As I say,
As me talk, so me no want no man. Who know?
I'm plumbing. See there.
Well, if I them say.
I work me, I come from a plumbing work me do sometime now and then and me fix people switch pipe. If a tile bung up, me come free up it.
See me tile it. I one tile it me have. And it will never bung.
You don't know anything can happen.
Not no fast in there, it can't bung up.
You don't know never girl picky
One
them
tile
flush.
it me have and it cannot burn, it ever stay clean, you're too bright. I ring with me.
No.
Too for tile it.
No,
What
but
kind of tile it you
them a
talk
young girl and nowadays they now burn pad na dig hole put in there
about?
them a
Me tile
flush
it
it.
nice and clean.
Them a
Can't bung. Nobody can put no rag or no stapling or nothing down in my tile it. A one tile it me have. And it have to clean with bleach and disinfectant everything. You brighty?
And I really
One
bright.
tile it. And it nice and clean and fresh and me shower. You brighty?
And it's just that
And me shower have to clean. One shower.
But
Nice
why-
and clean and fresh.
my wife pack up and left me because me don't have no money.
You
And
never ask about your wife. How what happened, sir? What make you come and complain?
no, because you see a come to your daughter to me and say, yeah, you can't come to mine like how you come to your daughter. You understand?
Hold on there. So what your business in our business?
We ain't business right.
And how few business pertaining to your business to me come to your daughter? Where me know you and your daughter from, sir? Where you say your name again, Mike?
Mm-hmm.
Mike, if I the devil send you come telling you buck up and one of God's child, go on where you go. Me not look nobody. And you look poor and bossy and broke, not backside. You better you go and look on you.
We can't
Look
buy,
there.
we can't buy tin
See
rock
there?
you.
Look how my slippers dirty. Because the dirty foot man may have Kevin buy soap give me right now. I want woman yard me they come from.
Uh-huh.
Wash me go wash some dirty clothes. And you know what woman said to me? She never remember if tell me from morning before me start wash say she no have no money, so if me can wait till next week. Because they sit near there now. They sit near make me mad. So me tired of broke man, me tired of broke life. Back to the sender devil. Me a come out of there and sit there. Any of me if you go take up one man you know, and when me run the little dirty broke foot baby face man the way they in me yard, they not even want to shave. All he do every day is like an idiot.
Are you wrong?
Once I was blind.
You
but now-
wrong.
Yes,
You
because
should
she
have
be
put
blind.
him out making him look wrong.
Serious? You think I little run me running junker from around me?
No,
And when you there for here one time me they dab him up. And he not no shame. All he do is go in the kitchen and name out the bun in the pot.
Little girl don't be like your mother, yeah?
Yes, sir.
What you mean?
No, me
What you
tell
know
you.
about me? What you know about me?
No.
No, talk
No.
to that truth. What you know about me?
Me just
Come
know you.
here.
Me just
Stand
know
up
you.
right here, so. What you know about me?
Me
Make
just
you-
know you.
So where you contact about she not fi be like mother like you know something about me? Talk to the
No,
world.
Joe, you go along, you go along.
How me a go along? Fi say me no want a dirty foot, broke foot, nasty foot, man with a smoke and turn up a pays on a bed. Every friend when you pass one cliff and $100.
But as you go wrong
So-
to get a picnic with him, that's why I said don't
I
follow your
did not
mother
know. That's why you
footsteps.
feel listen when me they talk. So me say once I was blind, but now I can see. I get more and get rid of the drunk girl.
Oh, don't be like your father, your mother. Don't weed
Don't
out.
mix me up. Go on, bro. Don't wheel up. Go on, this party I'm
Don't
gonna
need no weed and don't cuss like your mother.
How
And,
get the name
and
right?
don't.
Eh?
My father.
Give me some. Look here, old idiot just like you. Come
Mike
on.
Williams.
You enough people. I saw you do. Walk and turn up and listen people business all about pan road and then take it go care.
Me?
Look here, I'm my business. And if me want tell me that how in dirty pooper stay, let me tell him to not pick up no man like in dirty pooper that no concern you.
All right. I
Me no
hear.
want you. Me no want you. Look how much underpants you have for your van. Magalakawa.
Oh.
Look here, expensive drives me here. Victoria's Secret. All of me man no have no money. Me wash people dirty clothes and buy me wanna drive them. No come rent.
They have the copycat for Victoria's Secret. Me can
Why
buy.
you go? You think like a shit.
Me can buy.
So school.
You did good, but somebody did a try to take my money.
You say to your teacher?
Mm-hmm.
What was the
She didn't
barrier?
say nothing. She said one thing not take you away good.
So you not get nothing for eat?
Yeah, me get some for it. Come and never give me.
Any homework?
No.
No assignment? No project? You sure you don't put me now?
Me always do my homework.
But I feel I come back to Jamaica for waste no time.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going out of town, but the sun too hot. You know, I'm not used to that.
Yeah,
So,
carry me?
of course. I go carry, of course, me I carry. What you want to eat?
Burger.
Something we don't eat long time.
Shrimp.
No problem. Curry shrimp.
Good morning.
Hi, Kayla. Good morning. What's up? You alright?
Yeah.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling a little bit better.
Sit down.
What? There, you good?
You eat it?
No, I'm not eat. Daddy gone on the road to come back. I'm taking medication.
I'm supposed to go in at the town with Onisa. So I go carry and get you something to eat, alright?
You sure I'm not burden you?
No, baby girl, you're good. When I
You
drop
eat
on
shrimp?
head, drop on shoulder. You'll
You
be
eat shrimp?
good.
Yeah, I'm eating shrimp. I love shrimp. Okay. Mommy, we can buy it.
No problem.
So, alright.
Yeah, you go school?
No, I'm not going to school.
Why?
Come, my father not have it.
Same like where you can come tell me, say you're not getting enough to eat, or you not eat it, the same you can come and ask your lunch money.
Alright.
I don't have it like that though, you know.
You understand? Well, help.
Right. So make sure you go school, homework, assignment, your project, all of them something they know say. You make sure you do it, alright?
You do it.
Anything you don't understand, you come. You let me know how to assist you with it, alright? Cool?
Cool.
And taking your education will up your head. Regardless, make your father proud. Good?
Yes, that make him proud.
May I tell the sun cool down, go in at the town, because the sun kind of hot.
Mommy, we can more than carry umbrella. I'm hungry. I know what she hungry.
Go get the umbrella. I think I'm here the tourists and never know you.
Mommy, sit here.
All
So you
right.
ready?
Yeah, sure.
Come on. Mommy, sun hot bad.
Told you.
Uncle, no want something to eat.
Hey, hold on there. Serene.
Can do I go on? I'm going to the town
where
to
they
get
come
them
from?
something to eat.
So, I feel that at this too.
No, I'm not my daughter.
How down the road you now go come now?
Yeah.
Anyway, me never know say you have two daughters.
No, I know my daughter, you know.
How? How?
My daughter friend.
Your daughter friend?
Yeah. I see her up the road the other day, I'm my sister.
Yes, you
They
never help me.
You know
so
her,
what-
Candy?
Me see her up there so up on the road.
Yeah, she's sick. She never feels so well. So you know from that. You know my style already.
So, me know you love help people and it's good when you help people. But all them are kind of somebody here. Where you help them for?
Where you call somebody?
You know
Them
her?
are people here. Me
Yeah,
see him
with
catch
me.
up on roadside up there, so me don't know if a man in go with and do him all kind of thing. He come back
I
weak
feel
like a
me
rat.
feel that way. Me feel
She never
sick.
feels so well, man. So I carry her to the doctor and get her some medication. Same time I meet up with her father and something, man. So she come this man. I ask her, she go to school
So
and
she
all
a father?
that.
Yes,
Yes, man.
And she tell me say she not nobody.
Ask me about my mother. Never ask me about my daddy. Ask me about my
I
mama.
never ask about your
You not
daddy.
change one bit thing, no, man.
But this a girl look like he not no manners. See me up there up on the road. Which day I went. I went easy way. I today I went. All me can remember cause the amount of people me
Yeah,
work
right.
right during the week. She have rank herself with me.
Me
Eh?
never rank. Me never done rank myself with that. Me asked her if she help me, and she said she can't help me cause all those tumble down for her.
Maybe two of you bring it cross.
No, me not bring cash nowhere. Me say, can you help me please?
So what did do you?
Me is sick, bad with flu and everything.
How you do pregnant?
No, I'm pregnant and I'm 15.
And you, me, young and you they breed because you not listen when the parents say you sit down on roadside. Me don't know who for house they come out of.
Track me couldn't walk and me feel weak. I them help me.
So me they don't feel if you're lucky my friend help you. Me not help nobody, you know what?
You can't
Me
stay
with you.
so God now go help you in your life. God don't like
God always
people.
help me. See your dirty mouth there, that's
No.
why me not help you. Me go about my business.
Can you hold it down,
Serene,
man?
me see and chat to you.
Later.
Yeah, me see you. Me
All
come
right.
with that girl there.
Come. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You have any shrimp?
No, no shrimp.
You have curry?
No.
All right, no problem. Thank you.
You can't get the shrimp.
Like my young town or somewhere beach up or somewhere, you know?
Son too
Or
hot,
up on the fish beach or somewhere there, so.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.
Mommy,
All right.
son too hot.
What else? Yep. Change the plan, all right?
Alright.
Kind of look like we're gonna get the shrimp. We're gonna reach into the town.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna grab on something at the shop here son later. When
Yeah.
some cool down, I'm gonna get the shrimp and something and we can deal with it later for dinner, right?
Yes.
So no cool with that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Why you girls want? Come second one.
Look at that. But me not see none in your summer. You have look soda?
Liquor soda, yes.
Yeah. How much look soda?
Can I have 3 please?
Liquor soda.
You have any with ice?
No ice.
Okay, give me what you have. How much is it?
Soda.
100 for one.
Can I have a
Alright,
tortilla?
let me get 2 bags juice instead of liquor soda. One of the liquor soda. Which one you want?
You sure you want bag juice? Alright.
Cause makes sense.
If you drink water, you know? If you drink water.
Yeah, I'm going to catch one and drink.
Thank you.
Okay.
The tortillas.
Can I have a tortillas, please?
Pepper one.
The pepper one.
She's over there, so.
Thank you.
1, 2, 4, 30.
You have snacks up by the house, so you don't need no snacks down here, alright? You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Do enjoy the rest of your day.
Okay, you too.
Alright, thanks.
Alright.
Come on. Yeah.
You alright now?
Yeah, alright. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Do I walk up your yard?
Yes.
Mommy,
Yes,
we're going
baby.
to carry me to watch TV with me?
No problem. Your father know you then?
No, let me at work.
Okay. Alright.
We play video game. We play video game together? Your father. Daddy.
Hey. How far yard me just a come from now? Are you me go look for? Are you me just go look for?
Sure.
Where the bike pass? Where you get money bike?
I don't have money. I'm mad at
She came and she did other medication from morning, so I went and get her something to eat.
So, are the woman here they really find embarrassing?
I said that never you go. Me go.
Yeah, but me left 2 pieces of yam. You could have eat that 2 pieces of yam with the butter. All you have to do is just boil up, turn off the stove with the water, add up the yam, and then jump in the bowl and crush out it.
Daddy, me tired. Me don't feel good. Me don't want that. Me skin me stomach now and keep it down.
But the stomach can keep down the fullness.
Oh boy, this year.
Eh?
Oh yeah, embarrass me now on the room. You don't see that?
Well, no,
I am Serena.
I see me now. I'm Mike.
Alright, Mike. Take time with her, man. She
No.
say you go work and so forth, she never get to take the medication. Somebody just get her some. That's simple,
Them
simple
pick me up,
matter.
make me have to pop off their nose. Me like 2 pieces of yam now. 2 pieces of
Every
yam.
day you want to give people yam. Me soon favor yam. Tired of yam.
And that's in the backyard of my plant. Yam, that's how we have enough yam. We can't waste it. We have to eat it.
And why you go embarrass me on the
When the
room
yam
now?
done,
But
then we can cook something else.
But if
Yeah.
you don't want to eat, you can sell. You make money and cook something else.
Control it, you know. Control it.
But
You know,
mommy,
lamp
I
when they come out to
true.
picnic. You see, one time me I talk about my picnic and me I grow him up good, want him grow up good.
Me not yam every day.
Stop
Every
Anisha.
day you say you got work. I mean, I see you come with no money. But ever they come with like some mastic a bite up on your neck. You don't understand that. I'm sure the mastic and not bite nobody make you so red. And this man in the foot of the yard they never left with that on your neck. But you come back with it on your neck. Where the money there?
I'm personal life you're going.
But you coming on my personal life, daddy. Me I come out from my business.
Alright, you see, since that you want, every minute you want to beg the lady, every minute you're finding the right thing yard, continue. Continue. Continue.
Come on,
You see, if you like her?
Of course, I like her. Kayla is a nice little girl. She just need guidance.
Only hope you can maintain her because she yam enough.
I will try my best.
We buy one big bottle of vitamin, all 5 a day she yam.
Regardless, though, you still need to keep that daughter and father relationship with her.
Everybody nothing know. If I you say me eat the 5 I eat, me dey sleep comfortable in the night. So me not have to take you over.
Okay. Okay. Go on eat it. You don't see where you get.
So what I'm doing your friend them the T40. You never say
Alright,
nothing.
Kayla, don't argue with your daddy. Alright?
You have to look for me.
Alright.
Anyway.
She'll be fine,
The 2
alright?
pieces of yam when I pack me yam is still. So, that yam full of belly for the rest of the day.
Yes.
Like
Bye-bye.
it's hungry.
Yes, it is hungry, that's right.
You know, see me I feel like shout. Warn your daughter. You see when you see me, no open up your mouth.
Open up your mouth. You can't tap your mouth and open up.
Kayla, what me just say to you? Kayla, leave your father alone.
One.
Come on, I joke him
I'm not sure
and
when
make. You
you
say I
reach
joke him and
Make
make.
sure
Come.
Excuse. You're not getting no pay yam yam.
Later, nobody pay them the mind. Later.
Alright, nice lady.
Alright, take care.
Broke pocket. Every day me have to look for you on roadside. Sure, me tired in the
Easy,
man.
daughter, man. It's up to you now.
Me come for lunch money for Monday week.
Oh.
And when me a go rush for you live, me can't bother with the roadside business.
No worries, man. You soon can make me know where I live, man. I want to go actually you can buy one burger on Friday.
Alright, thanks.
Alright, go on. Hurry up and go on. Run, go on. I want to be
How would that?
Let me know what that.
I wish little girl that let me see you just hand money give. And you not give me no money. How happen? You not give me no money for your little girl. Figure school. But you're there to give little girl money.
I get a money for give somebody a while ago.
You dey give little girls money pan road?
So you mean by that?
Me mean a little girl money pan road.
Money for give girl a while ago for gas.
Are they there with the little girl?
Jesus Christ. I'm not going to wait man. Oh God. That to me, man.
I don't understand you. Because you now mind your daughter. Me can't tell when last you work and have $1 for give me. But me can't see the hand money.
I work right now. See, I was there at the time. So I can get off the road. Anyway, just want to give more money man for give girl man for go school for Monday in a week. But I don't know go on still. So I want to do it. I want to go. What's that? How many times?
How is this? Jabon. Wake up, sun hot from man, you lie down in a bed. Eh?
So your breakfast ready now?
What you mean if breakfast ready now? You know easy, which breakfast? You give me money to look for breakfast?
Morning light, man.
Go back, go take the money from the girl where you give money and find sitting for them. Me for give breakfast. Eh? Why me should I give breakfast? You, Brighty? Every minute you want sitting for them. You know what, my daughter?
I'm sorry.
One on this one. Me soon talk to you here.
Yes, mommy.
Watch ya. I so quick you drop back asleep. You're big, lazy and dumb. And walk this and smoke and walk and give girl money out the road and then I contaminate me for money. For money and food every time. Let me tell you the same thing. Me send out my daughter out there so because I'm tired to talk to you. In front of my daughter. I don't want my daughter having her head. They say, oh, every minute. And so we live. You understand? But don't worry yourself. Me soon get rid of you. Me soon get rid of you. Me tired to argue with you. Yes. Me tired to argue with you in front of my daughter. Me tired of it now. Me come go road. You're big and dirty and crave now. You give me money to look for no food, you're brighty. Come fix your clothes here. Me have one little change in my brassiere. Yes, I go gear it and you take it and me hide it on you.
Yes, mommy.
So guess what? You see? This money I want to give you.
Yes,
Don't
mommy.
make your father see it. Big and worthless and dumb.
Me sorry for the argue with your father in front of you, my daughter. Me no want you grow them kind of way, there, but you see the little dirty nasty man when we pick up in there, so?
Yes, mommy.
A pressurizer, a brain crusher. And if you don't mind chopping, mad me. But me nah your mouth and no garbage find the blood of Jesus against it. That you want me for the big old long tone boy like that want me if you mind him. And they take money when you give you figure at school, go give girl a road. So they come after for breakfast. Bright. You see the sardine and the bread when me let give you?
Yes, mommy.
Full your belly and cock up, and when you see my pass belch, bell. Don't even say sorry.
Yes, mommy.
Later, me I go on the road.
Yes, mommy.
Man, so
Daddy.
much rough. It's just my daughter.
You're hungry for too?
I must hungry my daughter. Say mother did me away.
Mommy
So last
did.
night he now cook me, you know.
Mommy did left sardine and bread for me around this, so you want some?
You mean, man? I'm gonna go feed right now. I'll come let me go drop down on this
Did I roll like kitchen?
Alright.
Me I go on the road, go take a walk.
How you gonna do on the road?
Me bored, me go take a walk.
Alright, don't take long, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, go and do it, Alright.
Alright.
Hello? Yeah. No problem. I'm gonna call you, innit? Sure. No, I soon finish up with all of that. Sure. Yes, just taking it easy. Thank you, no problem. All right, do enjoy the rest of your day, all right? Thanks. Same to you. Bye-bye.
Mommy. Like where you go on the road, me can go down to auntie.
Sure.
Okay.
Make sure
Time
I come
come
back here at
back.
the same place. I am not sure, because business in Jamaica is not like overseas. We go by time. But in Jamaica, no. So I don't know how long it's going to take. But as soon as I come back, I will just come down there and get you, all right?
Yeah.
Make sure you carry some money and grab something to eat, all right?
But me no money.
Just get some money in the house, all right?
All right.
Cool.
Syrian, good evening.
Hi, Kayla. What's up?
No, I'm there. I go on the road.
Yeah, you know, say from the other day, but they don't say, I don't like how you talk to your father, you know, why you fix that look at attitude, something there, right, baby girl?
Alright, so I got
Same with
change.
Auntie Candy, cool? Miss Candy down the road? Alright.
Alright. I better say me want like a big person in your life.
Don't say that. Don't use that word, no. What is it? What's the problem?
Me need to want come and beg every day, but actually, my monthly cycle come up, and my father don't have no money can buy.
It's okay. I do not have any Jamaican money right now, but I'm going to give you what I have. Once you go in the town, you can get it changed, alright?
Alright, thanks. So that's it.
No, she's going to buy my sister until I come back because I'm running on the road, alright? So take care of yourself, alright, baby girl?
Bye.
Cool.
What going to?
What's up, Candy?
Now where you go?
Me I run go on the road and come up. Me I go.
It's alright. Look at mommy check here.
Alright, cool. Take care.
Little girl. You feel say you're Serena friend? Eh?
So what me not there nothing?
Come here so come turn up. Me no size, nobody come. Me no there nothing. You do me something.
Mommy there.
You do me something because you try to take away my friend and my friend.
Me not try to take away your friend.
So where you come out yard for?
Ask her for money to buy pad.
Me see for a long time so she give you money. Give me it. Give me money. How much money she give you?
$1,500.
$1,500, 100 US. You look on your dirty foot them. Look on you. You look like a somebody deserve 100 US. Look on you too. About $1,500, not even know if you pay $15,000. You're bigger fool. What you take this to do with it?
You buy pad.
Buy which pad? But looking at Aki tree them and pick out the Aki them and get a pad.
You know, say me never do nothing in a life. You ever treat me, but I not do nothing bad in a life.
You not deserve to get Syrian money and my friend. Go from here, so. Look on you too. But you come and take money from my friend. I feel your friend or I feel my friend. More from your son, go little girl. Go on which part you did I go?
Give me your money back.
Go on where you go.
Me go put it back.
You want it? You want back your money? Come take it. Go about your business.
Can't bother, you know.
You not done wash them there yet?
No, mommy.
Why?
I'm tired.
Make you lazy so.
I'm not lazy.
You know,
mommy.
say I know me get them lazy in this day after. I know me get here for your papa. Anyway, get up off my seat and I wash out my slippers. You hungry?
Yeah.
I give you one money. There.
Yes, mommy.
I know make your father see it.
Yes, mommy.
Let me say.
They make my father see.
I know spend half it. You can yam one burger or KFC out of it and use the rest and go to school. You see how much money this? Look for the good.
$100
100 what?
US.
Okay, how much Jamaican this?
15,000.
Okay. You can buy burger or KFC. None of my fee. Left some for you go to school here?
Yes, mommy.
Okay. Go and pick up your yard. Me I go inside.
Yes, mommy.
Must go in there so.
What, my girl?
What you want?
There, where you daughter? Oh, you wait. Oh, you left yard? Cause to your mother deal with you, and I always told me say walk. Oh, you left yard?
Oh, you left yard.
Me tell my mother say I don't have my auntie me go and she gone.
Oh. And my mother just give me the money, so I figure buy something.
Oh. So me can get some where you buy.
Yeah, of course.
Alright.
Come on. Girl, good.
What going, Kayla?
You good?
Yeah.
What you? You didn't know she?
Yeah, my friend.
We get money from my swing. Who get 100 out of it? My mother
Ask
just
your
give
mother.
me. Your mother give me. And me and mother thief.
Kayla, what you do?
You
You can't take the girl money like that.
No.
You cannot do that.
You don't gonna go tell her mama.
Come.
Make yourself go tell her mother.
Move. Give me your money. You
No.
can't do that, Kayla.
Come
I'm a
aside.
friend. I'm a friend.
Step aside. You know when we go up at the yard and your mother give me money, you know. And her mother take the money from me, so me I take it back for you. And you want to go tell her ma. Go tell her ma, say me lick you. Go tell your ma. Go tell your ma. Go tell your ma.
So you can't beat
Tell
my
her to come
friend.
jape me now. Tell your mama to come jape me. Maybe upon her right or so. What you say?
But you can't do that. I'm
tell
my
me,
friend
mother,
and you're
what?
my friend. It was not my friend.
Mother,
so you thief for money.
Try look her and bust her red head.
I'm
What you
a
say?
friend, girl. You should do that.
I don't care. Her mother take money, me take back your money.
So, no, my mother give money. So, how fair mother manage to thief it from your girl?
They come and say to me, I'm not to person weapon I come back. I'm not make fair mad woman lick me in my face. You think you idiot?
Me gone behind she.
What you say?
She said she beat your daughter.
Beat my daughter?
Yeah.
You're
and
mad.
She said she turn up down this house.
Hold on there. I saw me grow you.
No, mommy.
As a great man, bust your ass. Little girl, let me get up. When me give you the money for do?
We go buy something with you.
And?
I care about Kayla to go to school.
So where they? Give me it.
Mommy, Kayla beat me up and take it
Look how
from
you,
me.
look. Me from me say you idiot, you know. Look how you dress and go up on the road. Hold up your hand.
She said
Turn
I'm
round.
thief it from her.
You notice me silent? I mean, not say nothing about it. You will hear about it. You will hear. I mean, I have to create the excitement right there, so. Which party little witch there?
I mean, she gone up there, so she said she gone her
A matter of
yard.
fact, how me left you out there so to pick up the yard? And you take time and squeeze it out of the yard and share the money.
Oh, wow.
And no, say you don't have no sense. You see, you feel have sense. You feel have sense. You feel have sense.
So she not tell me say you give her money if you go buy something to eat.
Yes. Me tell her say she can buy burger or KFC, but not done the money. Use the rest to go to school. She go make. Alright, cool.
Yeah, come through. Oh, your mother take up boat for girls. Get in sticky. Come on.
How far she there?
She did that. She did that. Down that so in that deli and then down that so. you gonna do with the board?
Ask me nothing, you will see. Where she there? Where your camera go? Little girl. Sure.
The girl gone. She gone. Alright, that's all. Right, I get this one in the day. Right,
Come out,
that's all.
son.
So where we are come over here, so far?
Come here. Me forgot your name. Where you say your name again?
Onicia.
Onicia.
Mm-hmm.
Me look like idiot to you? Are you make up and take away the money from my daughter and then she afraid that you fi tell me say, are you? Are you con?
I mean, take away money from you?
No, mommy, I know.
If me do you want to take your money,
Akela take your money?
Akela.
So which part she there? You know make me
She
walk
did that
fast.
down there, so.
Over 3 miles me they walk. I know me can't reach. Eh?
You know, say
Where she
girl
there?
afraid of you. She not gonna turn up there, so. If she did bad, she a turn up and
She
wait.
see me around
pan
gone.
you. Cause the girl tell me say she a turn up and wait pan you and she gone. After she know bad.
Don't worry yourself about it. You can run, but you can't hide. Me know say a spot, she must spot me. And run go and hide, but me not go no further, you know, me must buck her one of the day. Oi, come here. Turn up right there, so. Come on, turn around, so. Turn around. Oi. You idiot or you a fool? You not no sense?
Yes, mommy.
Eh?
Yes, mommy.
Cause me now make Kayla beat me and take away my money.
Turn around. Turn around your backside. Turn around. Your feet are said. Your little body are
I
shake.
saw you deal with your daughter.
That I should have power I don't little ladder. You're too out
Deal
harder.
with her, so man. Give
Oi,
me this.
where you come here? How are you, little girl? You feel me on your size? You think that you me and your mama are friend? You can contact me anyhow. Me fish it up. Me see you no manners. But me tell you something, your mama bad mind me.
Oh, my mother bad man.
Your mama bad mind me. She come from foreign and France. She come not even cent she no give me. She no give me $1 and she know me from when before you even exist, little girl of manners. You're bright.
How are this?
Tell your mama
Wait.
say me say she bad mind because she come from foreign and go give Kayla all $100 and no give me none. That's why me take it from her.
Are you bad man, my mother? Because if she never come from foreign, you would see her. And just because she come down here with money in the field, say she rich. And not everybody who got foreign rich. She don't have no money.
If me did bad mind your mama house but wouldn't dead, me take him from him.
You can't take away because you don't have a shape like my mother.
Me tell you something. Shape. I mean I talk to. Yeah, idiot. Me not go there so with you because me ain't no size. So me not go down in them the details there with you.
Wait till I go up with
Hello.
my mother.
Tell your mama because she can't do me nothing.
You grudge Kayla. Because Kayla get money from my mother.
Look on you too.
You not get none.
Your ma come from Friday, your foot then dry now and not even lotion and have. Me I talk to girl.
Hello, me have lotion. I don't have me auntie me I go and he not did it. But when I give me 500 for girl and she not did it, and me spend it because she not get it back.
Look here. Sod. Go on where you go.
What?
Go on.
Me not move.
Go on.
Me not sod.
Sod. I try no want God sin me and me no want me your mama have no.
Beat me.
Make me no boss you.
Beat me. If me would take you, I'll lick your back. If me would take you, lick your back. See your pitney, you don't have to beat me today because you can't fight. And that's why Kayla takes me. And me and her go spend it. And by things you not get none, I beg you lose.
Me lose?
You lose.
Look where your ma come from foreign and not even one good judge she no cafe. You know see I did there in the par. You come here.
Not because they did for. I beg you get beat up. Kayla shall beat your dress.
I'll show you something. You feel have sense. You have sense. You feel have sense. You feel have sense. You feel have sense. You idiot. You idiot. Eh? You idiot. Let me tell you something. You see that little girl there? Not because me know her mama, you can't ask me if you can friend her. Eh? You can't ask me if you can friend her. Remember, say me tell you say your name. If you chat to nobody on the road, no see all when you see, no see.
Yes,
and he that keep it his mouth door.
keep it easy, mommy.
And friend door, nobody say it, but God, you feel sense. God, you little idiot. All you watching me, are you?
Tired.
What going on, my daughter?
Tired. When I know if I'm in the they are water, so. You love road, so.
You know you go already, man.
When me I go know where you live?
Soon where I live, man. Soon right now I'll go place me, I can't put you on, man.
I come from money. So what happened?
One day I go on easy, I pull out time, kind of hot, you know.
Say alright.
Yeah, man, my day I see him way, though. Can't go on now, you know, go on. Go
Why
on.
you tell me for go on?
Girl, go on, girl. So I'm going out Candy. I'm going with my daughter.
There.
So where not come from?
How that concern you? Talk about the money when me say they give the woman again. The same girl. The same little dirty foot girl. When me catch her already, they give money and you say somebody give you, forgive her. And somebody give again,
Yeah.
forgive her again.
Yeah. So what we do? Yes, I'm still not somebody that passed, so I must in a hurry, so I must give them daughter the money. So I give them it. I go to this.
So look like you get paid to take money from people to go give other people.
No, I'm not say so. Virgin mom, even a situation like that. Yeah, it's a hard man. It's a hard. It's a hard girl and the little house money. You know, no.
You know me know this video? It's full of lies.
Full of lies.
You act like I said you don't have no money to give me, to give your daughter. Send her to school and give her something to eat and buy food, but you can give other woman a road. Me take me 2 years when you give girl money little while. You never see me daughter?
Yes, mommy.
You know see?
Yes, mommy.
Okay.
I mean, not say me not give no money. Me give her
The time you sit down on roadside, job one. The time you sit down on roadside, I look them girl where they pass by and I give them a little change where you have.
No, look, no.
Me not even know where you get it.
That they can do.
What?
look. Me hear there.
Me how you there? When?
No, me breed and give good daughter here so.
I feel opinion now. Are you breed me? And nobody
I'm
jacket
really
again.
sure, but
Yeah,
you
right.
know.
Anyway, let me tell you something. The time when you sit down here, so on roadside every day, they wait to see woman they pass to give them money. You go look work.
I work on
Go look work.
Cause
And know how to take care of your picnic. You're there so well well off. You notice how me talk to you easy? I know you're in no rush.
But man, tell you right now, more do a
You
DNA
need
test
to
for now
start
right now.
take care of your daughter. I don't want to hear nothing from you because right now,
do a DNA test call.
DNA, I don't talk about every day debate on DNA. See the girl see your
Even
daughter
favor
on road
funny.
and bust her ass
She
while and
even
take away her
favor
money.
me.
What?
She got nothing for me up for now.
Let me ask you something. Every time you're there pan, I just told me not say nothing to you already, you know. But the same thing when I repeat back yourself about if me not say she not favor you. Kids have to come favor them, Papa.
I mean,
Kids have to have the complexion of them, Papa.
I mean,
How about cast this now? So,
my genes strong enough.
so okay.
You know,
me ask you one
but my genes strong in favor me. I put one of them to
Your genes strong. A weak.
weak.
Yeah. Because
find
you don't know the type of sperm count you have. That's why you feel so insecure. You don't know if you breed rat, pussy, cat or dog or the breeze. You have a right to feel insecure all the day of your life.
But
But the girl where they give money every day, I hope you breed her and give her one penny where you go show her. Every time you depend me, you tell me about you know she not favor me, you know she not favor me. So what? Me is not God, and I know me make her in that they farm there. How God doing work, and you tell me say true she not favor you. You're not sure say you favor. Just get up and go and go look.
Nothing you not get.
If you know, glad say she not favor you. Because you would be father jawbone and she would be daughter jawbone, and then a Makara school and call her daughter jawbone.
No money, you not get no my kid, man.
You know, you two workless, me go let
So
you.
you say we not cook no food?
Cook with food again? You come back with food argument again?
Well, you not cook give me.
No, let me ask you one question. I want to go about my business and you let me know. Jawbone, like seriously, you not give me money. When you get money from to cook?
You know,
Oh, me fi go up on the bridge. Go sell what me no have.
Yeah,
Now go work. Come on, my daughter. Any money we me have as from today is for me and my daughter. You X out of type. Look like I'm an idiot. I cook and I give you, provide for you, sitting where you never provide. No, go on now. Me tired of you, man.
everything good, man. Don't worry, man. I'm early morning, doctor office.
Yes, so what's up?
What?
Alright.
Mommy? Yeah, me know I just want. Me have to take a smile off of my face.
Where your auntie?
No, me not too good on my auntie. Me good, yeah, me good on the but you know, did it?
What happened?
So, go up on the road, mommy. So, me buck up on my friend, Candy daughter. Mommy, me and the girl is talking, you know. You give Kayla $100 US.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, mommy, me good on there, me buck up on Candy daughter. And she a flash $100 now, and she see her mother say she will buy something to eat. So me say, alright, you buy me something come. I already have my money and I spend it off, right?
Right.
So me I say, Missy Kayla come. I say, hey girl, where you get that money there from? So she say, I'm a mother, just give me. Kayla, just say, give me money. So me I say, Kayla, you can't do that. Then she explained to me, say, the money where you get when you see candy out, so where you go or something like that,
Right.
she take you away from her. So me I say, huh?
Slow down. Who take away which money?
Candy take away Kayla $100 US, so you
You
give
have
her.
to be lying. Why can't you do such a thing?
Because, oh yeah, you wanna know why she doing? No, she said the reason why she take you away is because you bad mind her.
Me, Batman.
Yeah, she said bad mind her.
Who said that?
Candy.
Just like that?
Yeah, because she said you not give her no money and you always a give Kayla things.
Stop. Me and Candy is not like that. So you see, tomorrow I'm going to make sure me and you go down by Candy.
Alright, me say the woman there picking someone lick cause Kayla take with the money. The woman draw board, you know what I mean? And couldn't let look at Kayla, but Kayla gone cause Kayla no bad. So the woman did it. Me have to face still with her cause she did go on too bright.
Candy?
Yes, me face still
Oh,
with
this
her.
serious.
She say you're bad mind, alright? And she say, since you come from foreign, I Kayla alone, you dey give money. And you not give her none. She say, you bad mind her. So I say, you can't say that, oh mother, you bad mind my mother just because you not get no money.
Okay. Don't worry yourself. We deal with Candy, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
You have to get a piece of my mind. The woman, I say, mommy, when me start get too bad now, you know, the woman I run me down my piece of tick and me run, you know, mommy. Come on, put it up and me click me, because if you lick me, I go draw out the piece of tick and me like lick her back. Mommy, me not no credit.
Alright, I will make sure my call Candy. Tomorrow me I go down there as a matter of fact.
Yeah, it's what we are good on there, come in, no, say me not tell no lie.
Alright, don't worry yourself.
And the worst part I to beat her pick me with a board.
Two sides to a
Not even
story.
laugh.
I need to go down by Candy tomorrow.
Yeah?
The day is already finished, so I just wait until tomorrow. I'm not think I have a call or I just go down there tomorrow.
Yeah.
Girl, where you come from? You know from morning you come back and see you.
I'm going on a mission.
Go for which mission?
Look for my friend them. Serena and her daughter.
Go beg again, food again.
I must send her the money. To buy me no pan, you know. And the last time I pay my period, you give me banana leaf. I mean, know that.
Yes, we
You
tell
know
her
that.
say use the banana leaf with the tissue. When I use them two there, it won't leak for the road. You just put it on their jars and you hold it.
No, she give me money to go buy. This can buy one leaf.
How much is it?
15,000.
Let me look for it.
You think me know me don't feel so comfortable for your money? You know me go through to get back the money. You don't want to know, so the woman, when you Candy. Candy bright, no wrong, huh?
What do?
The woman must see when Serena give me the money. So, see me with the money, right? Hear him, hear him. Give me this.
Yes,
Candy!
yes. Give me this. Yeah, man. Give me, let me look for it. Come, let me look for it. Don't worry. We try to go bank, come on.
You never want the money so tight.
So you idiot. You can't put too much money in my hand and expect me to let it go loose. Me no candy. Me no candy. Whosoever she name.
I'm just lick her daughter in her head and her friend and say, give me my money. But me see her daughter. I said, she take my money. Me see her daughter with money. I'm just go so boom, boom, and take back my money.
So you little people them pick me.
I mean, somebody now take my money.
I mean, I no money to take nobody got that.
Candy beat me. When Candy beat me, where did they?
Anyway, me buy stay for you. Not trust it down a shop, but you see this? It's a for me.
And if you want the money, you not pay back in?
Huh?
Me not pay you back.
For?
Are you not charge me? Me never say all the money so tight, daddy.
I don't business what you want to say. No. Check time, go on.
Boy,
Go on up.
you want my money, daddy.
You walk and beg. You soon beg when enough to beg. Go on up.
I bought me soon, but beg me.
I will rock you. I will rock you. You're bright.
Morning, Candy.
Morning.
Are you my come to? Yesterday my daughter tell me something will go down with you and Kayla. She and I say my bad man and all of that. But I don't jump to conclusion. I come for ask you what really go down, what happened.
Serene. It says Serena and Siri the answer like you don't know. Look here. I'm glad say you come to me. I see whatever she tell you, yes me say it. You know why me say it?
No, you have to tell me that.
Because me can't believe that me and you are friends for such a long time, much years before you even get pregnant and have that little girl there. And all of a sudden, you come from foreign and carry down how much of this and how much of that, and you not even care one soap for me, and you just a stranger on the road. We don't know from Adams, and you take out money they give them. Why you give them my money? I want
What I really like to know, all the word bad mind, Japan. Bad mind.
the two bad man.
So
So
not
I-
giving you my hard-earned money that I in the cool, all of that.
So a new friend you find.
No, she's just a child. Kayla is just a child. Oh, you has no right to go and take away the money that I give to Kayla. Why you never just come and say, Serene, that or that? Why?
No why none of this. Me and your friend, the money where you give her I did mine, you should have given me. Why you give it to her? You're not no friend, you don't know her from nowhere. Well, alright, let me say it that way here. You did to give me money first before anybody else. You're not supposed to go take me money where you carry down to come give me and go on like you forgot about me and go give she. Who she? Yes, you take it for now.
I never know I saw you did stay.
So me time, you know now. First time I know I know one, people change.
So this is it.
Well, if you want to say I hit a so, but if you want me and you be friend, and you go every minute constantly they give people a road money and they act like I say, not even one soap. You not even one Irish for no God man. Not even one little dove. You couldn't care for me.
I told you what I came here to do. And what was your answer?
Anything what you tell me, you know, that come out of my brain, because when you want money, me get hungry, and you cannot give people money and not give me none. You're a friend, you know, girl.
Yes, but this is not the way you go about doing things.
So how many figure about it now?
You
Talk it
come
to God
to
too
me,
now.
you can't do
You
the
they
girl
come
and
from-
take for the money when I give you.
Really? You they come from down
I
the
tell
road
her to
and...
go pick Aki pad and put on that pad down for pad. I don't like that, man.
What? We are talking about a kid pad and one person.
Yes, that's what they told
So you
me.
don't know and say when you pick out the hat, a paddy come out. I saw them calling, when me not say nothing wrong.
I give her the money for go and get herself some sanitary woman thing and all of that.
So what you trying to say?
You will get yours in due time. You're not fair, babe, like
Serene,
this.
I
Come
prefer
on,
you prefer
man.
people more than me. Everything
No,
good, you know what?
no, Candy, no.
No, everything good, man. It's alright. Me know so when you see me, you say what you want to say for me, you feel good. But when you see the girl and I check out money and give her
She's
so,
just a child.
you know much time she tell me say you give her money? You know what, Serene, better you come out of me and go on. I
Calm down, but
I saw me I take it right now. You better you come out of me yard. You know nothing
alright.
to give me, you find new friend. Everything good, man. Go on out of me yard and leave me alone.
Hey.
Better you just go on out of me yard. A new friend you find. Everything good, man. Go and go give them it. I'm going. Where you do yourself? Where you come there suffer? What make you come stand up here so? Why you cause all of this between me and my friend? And my friend that feel life when me have before me even go breathe and get your friend that dirty thinking broke pocket man there. Go on in! Idiot. Watch you. You cause everything. Me tell you if you turn in the yard, you come out and show off you want to go show off with 100 US, a damn guinea pig. You. Not even bother going.
Don't make a whole of 5 here. Make no one nice. No man come. Boy, I tell me say everything. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Give me that, man. Tell you to wake me up.
Oi.
Are you? What
You
going?
sleep too much. You sleep too much.
Tired now, so.
Me I come go out on the road right here now. Make sure you say you not tidy up the place. Especially you when I do nothing on time. You just a nyam, sleep and drink and smoke and pay foolishness. You fi tidy up the place once of all. Me not say you can't do nothing, you know. But I him fi do most I work. Kind lazy. You know some lazy man?
Yes, ma'am.
Hope this and don't care. Anyway, me I go out on the road here now. Later.
Just go and say, hey, my daughter, man, let's see.
Mommy say you fi do it.
Do what you say,
Cause me
man.
always a do it. Nah, do nothing.
Right thing, man. Just see what the place
You go see. You wait until him come back.
I work with him, man.
Mm.
I come home with this girl here now. That I'm go up and read my daughter. I'm gonna come.
Alright.
So I'm gonna look work here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Ariana.
How that?
Me. Hold on.
There.
So me can I go for a morning, so.
No, uncle, mommy left me in there. So she gone on the road.
You want to open the road with me?
Yes.
Alright, come on. I go up and come back before she come back, do you know?
Yeah.
You see? Well, all me have to teach yourself to do the right thing. Sometimes you don't want to do the right thing. Oh, I see a nice lady here. I see me didn't want to see from what you know.
You
Come,
want to see her?
shut your mouth. You shut your mouth. What go on?
Hi, what's up?
You
What's
good?
going with?
Yeah, see, me come, you know, from what I want to see if you tell her. Me like to check my daughter good. She put on weight. The last time she did weight 80 pounds, now she did a 140. So me say she a eat now.
Sure.
She a eat good food.
Alright.
Where you look for me so serious? My miss level that nose, you know. Anyway, it's like how you treat her so good and me always look a good woman. When I mind you, keep her for me and grow her as a daughter.
Okay.
And no worry. Even when I have the money now, we will tip in a little time and pay up.
How was our mommy doing? Our mommy?
Well, I don't want to talk about it still, you know, but our mommy passed off when she born. If it's to her
My
head,
condolences.
big.
So big.
About that.
How much your ears cock off and pretty not too?
Tell her more.
No, for a serious level too.
Stop.
When her mother died at childbirth.
Oh.
Yeah, so I think in our future I'm gonna want to marry her, you know.
My head that big?
Take her as my wife, cause she
Yes, my mother.
right. So I'm gonna take her as my wife. You again?
Candy, what's up?
So Ashini and Candy. So Ashini take away $100 for her. You afraid of her? Where you hide for? You afraid of her?
And it turn up and me and your daughter.
So why you afraid of her?
Look
What?
for her.
Kayla, what happened?
You see that you give me the $100 and they take it from me.
So you want to thief my friend?
Me not give nobody.
Girl, where you know my friend from?
Candy, calm
Oi.
down. Remember, she's just a child.
Listen to me. I'm my daughter. And I'm my wife to be.
Who?
Yeah. I'm married her because she
You
take care of my
me
daughter.
not hear what you say. Because I don't hear it already from me and come out with some boy you have tried to propose to me. And somebody I look for you.
What that?
You hear say she come down from foreign, you do much money, so you want she come mind you and your little broke pocket daughter.
You beg any
We
money?
walk and beg and I take with my money them and me sitting them with my friend cafe me. And I me forget them. All the soap when she buy if you watch me crutches, she give your daughter. And she give you it. She give your daughter and she give you it and you take it and give your dirty
Candy,
girl out the
calm
road.
down. Calm down.
Go marry the
Candy.
dirty food girl.
Calm
Dirty boy,
down,
remember say that
Candy,
you did
calm
look me, you know?
Yeah.
I know you want
No,
my friend.
I was looking her, right? But we never noticed her friend. I tell her that I want somebody to take care of my daughter while I'm working. She cost me the most horrible way. Tell me about me pa, me ma. You see it?
Can't-
Pit pa me too.
Candy, calm down.
Pit pa me. For what? For
No,
what?
this is not
You
you.
afraid of her?
Oh,
You afraid of her?
back soon. You
Don't
must be
afraid of
mad.
her.
So, you say you want me to marry you?
Where you want my friend to do with her? Where you go
You
do
can
with
deal
her?
with this more,
somebody else
much
is
better.
How are you?
How are you?
Mommy,
Girl, go on
I
and
want
have
she
my
and
friend,
Candy.
so. And come out a big people's story.
And so forth. Stop, no?
I want
I
to.
deal with Candy the other day. Stop. Go over there, so go wait for
That's
me.
why $100 get
Stop.
thief. You broke.
Candy, no pay them no mind. Me not talk about this already, man.
Sure, say I know sort that little girl in the hospital. Look how your ear nice and long.
See, that is the girl me I tell about me. Clap her.
I see a clap.
Yeah.
Which girl?
2 hours take him.
Hello. Where you do with yourself? She me not tell us if stay in the yard and leave bad company alone.
I mean, call
This
her
little
up.
girl. Hey girl, you know no man as you know. You see, since your mama have you must start mean to me. And you make your mama mean to me.
Nothing.
And you make you come like a chicken with fast in a make you
Pretend
girl.
in
I will cuss out you. Look here. I will mean your my friend. Me no nothing with you. And you make your mother mean to me.
So why?
Before your mama breed and get you. You only come maga foot dry head girl. You're greedy no way. You're full of worm. I go and tell your mama, you see. One next time when me see her, she buy a lamp pile for you. Me no like your little girl because you come back now your mama start mean to me. Yes.
Hello. Come on,
talk to me.
Come on,
Just tell me say about your little
I don't bad mind. If you have to come on, go look walk.
Go look on this little piece of tail girl here.
You know, I want to pay
Look
attention
after
to.
you.
No worry yourself about her. Me soon deal with she. And you make your mama start mean to me from your band. Little girl, me have you up. Me have you up because your mama was so kind to me before you come exist on earth. You mean that you tell your mama you know them the kind of mean style.
That's why you feel take good education. Yeah, look here, you see? That's why you have to take up no friendly man. You see what she have to do?
All you little dirty boy, you think I told my friend there.
I'm here, cuz.
Yes, John Crow.
I'm here, cuz. Come here, sir.
Daddy, no.
Wait, come here,
No,
sir.
Daddy, no.
I'm here chatting.
Oi,
big man.
I chew because my friend there, so me want disgrace you.
Listen me.
Remember, see your teeth off me jaws off a line. And go give the next woman down too. When you did a lucky woman, but you give him for Valentine's Day, boy, me will trace off your jaws off of you. And my friend, I want to turn in an idiot.
He just big. He just have a long time. Come.
I better.
Oh, hey, am I blood that?
Is that the
Am I blood that?
You look like you're anemic. You look like you have low blood.
I want thing with you.
You don't have no blood.
You see you?
What?
You not go reach far so you gala. You
Blood
can't
of
cut.
Jesus against your stupid tongue. I shall reach farther than you in real life. I lie.
Hey,
You want
give
to
yourself.
pick me there. You see that?
Hey, look at that. Man, me clap off head off everybody.
Clap off over head. I lie you they tell.
Who is that?
Papa, remember say you did a look me and one night you carry me go to the beach in a one hotel and the way your foot sting me have to come out of the room. Move from your stuff, boy. You're not get me friend. Move. You're not get me friend and you're not get me neither. You see a little pouring data where you have a walk on road and a big man. Other day me yesterday and drive me in a bush. Yes, you want come broke out my friend data now.
Wait till I come up.
You dey try to friend my friend and they act like you want my friend. I think me no know say a dirty jigger look me juke out your eye. You not get me friend cause every money when my friend have for me and her, she no figure no man and she no figure you that.
You tell her to me share her money?
Eh.
You tell her to me share her money?
And my friend I want come in her life. A relation shit you they look I could never ship with my friend. You're an idiot.
So hold on.
If she did want you, she'd have take a long time. Me no want you.
If your name they cause a friend, should have take you up long time and mind you.
I'm going for me and my friend's story cause right now, any you put your hand on my friend, me and I go bust up your face.
Engagement. No worry.
Go engage you.
Come back here tomorrow, I'm sure.
Engage you. Go engage
Come back here
your
tomorrow.
grandma.
You see hungry there. Hungry I kill it.
Yes, and that's why you little thief in data. Come thief for your $100 where she have the other day.
Where?
And my friend money have for me. You can't talk to me and me give me data it. Where she take it for?
Oh yeah,
Where
friend money
where
because
she
for
take
you.
it for? You think say me no know you know long me I look for your little dirty boy. Your health.
I'm here look. I'm here look. I'm here look. Why? Ocha, I'm glad to see you.
Hi, what's up?
There are good news and bad news. Which one rather?
The bad news first.
The bad news?
Right.
Ocha, I can't tell it. Watch her. See me come here. The man in data. Feisty? I'm feisty. No, I'm still going to tell her. No matter me. They're not business with them if they want to come interrupt or what. Watch him turn up. I see that. How are you looking for me for? Eh? You used to diss me. Remember the days when they diss me. But it's alright, yeah? It's alright. You over now. You know bother me. But the bad news though.
Yes.
I have to go left my daughter with them because me now there. We get a piece of contract. I'm here.
That's nice.
Take a trip.
You mind I'm asking where you going? Exactly.
Oh, me I go deal with some work, but then send
Daddy.
me. Huh?
Mommy.
What's up?
Here what happen? I'm glad you come in time. Me I go leave you with her if you stay. Cause me say she take care of you good.
For two?
And because me I go fly out.
Do you fly pan?
When me I fly pan, broom. Broom, come on, no, you can't eat
They
that.
have
Miss.
magic.
Yeah, wait.
I pity them. But anyway, look. Me, the owner give me part of the money. To show me say real, so.
Wow.
When I have manners, when I have manners.
Yeah, look.
Stop.
I have manners,
And
man.
then I look.
No, you stop.
Alright, this 100 and hold it more you did where it come from. So,
Okay.
cause it's a long period of time I go from. I go for 10 years.
And why you looking at my father bag? Why you stop yourself?
Kayla.
So
We
you
just don't like
Hold.
candy.
so you're gonna stay with her as of today. Why you behave yourself?
No, you say, but I'm be myself daddy. Hurry up and
When
go.
me get my citizen over there, me send for you.
Send for me.
I'm gonna send money so you and your friend can go anywhere you want to go.
Okay.
So no, if you're no man.
No, Daddy, you can't tell me that, Daddy.
Remember, so we're married too, so I'm gonna carry up.
Okay, alright, I do appreciate it. I wish you all the best. Safe travel.
You see,
And keep in touch, alright?
you used to judge me, say me a dirty foot. But
Daddy, your
look for
foot
me
still
now.
dirty. There's not a difference. Your foot still dirty.
Kayla.
If you correct my father. Because
Yes,
he must
but
saying
stop.
used to be dirty foot and your foot still dirty.
No.
No, she used to call me dirty foot.
Oh, what should I call her now?
Huh?
What should I call her now?
Still dirty foot.
Okay.
So why you
So what's wrong with
Why you
that?
say that makes sense? And left it alone.
So, if we hadn't take me up, you would have a bag of money to take care of my youth.
I remember so the time I did sick and feel bad, she walked past me on the road.
Okay, yes, and that is another thing that's why I did stop look you. Because she
Yeah.
tell me about that. Say your pass her, your cuss her, tell her the most weird. And this lady nice enough to help her.
Come here.
Huh?
No, wait here. Stay over this. What I tell you go on with?
With her?
Oh, you fit give me friend so much money and you know me long time before she.
No, listen. You call me dirty foot. You call me chancro. You call me shit enough.
A joke me did I make.
No, anything you say, the file is too late. It's too late now, man. All you have to do, I just, when I see any man with their foot dirty, you know, shame them again.
Look here. Me and your friend long time. I mean, know you like me. I know say you did I go come to something good in your life, you know.
I'm going to share to me a good heart.
So why you never make me stay with your daughter and give me the money?
No, I'm going to share to me, no. I'm share to me a good heart. Brownie, come here. I'm going to share to me a good heart. I don't stay like a you know. You want to buy some Irish Spring soap so you don't have no grudge against Browning anymore. I'm a fiance. Buy some Irish Spring soap. Buy that one with some J's. You more to wash out.
Daddy.
Huh?
And some manners.
Yeah. And buy some manners. I'm going to take care. May I go back?
and by some respect?
I don't know if you help people not see them power when they must suffer.
You call me
Me you
drunk.
know size, you know, so me not listen to you. Make you give me this one more.
Enough. A 60,000 that when they change out.
So when you can never give me the bag and give this to my friend, when you can stay so.
I should stayed by that, you know.
Tap talk like you want to hear. Come out here so. Remember say you did I look me, you know, and me know you long
No,
time.
me tap. She like no.
So take your bag from her with the money and
No,
give me and
no,
make me stay with
anyway.
your daughter, no?
Tell her sorry, me gone.
I idiot.
Alright, later, yeah?
Alright, thank
My
you.
daughter,
Keep in touch.
behave yourself.
Tell myself, Daddy. You're flying on broom now. Mommy, oh, weird. Come here, Daddy.
Safe travel, alright?
Alright, just
Daddy. Member said not eat too much because I want the broom broke.
Can the man go run now? Kayla only stand so.
Yeah.
Bye, Doki.
Right, Daddy.
So Celine,
Yes, Candy?
I saw you come down.
No, me go put away this, go to the bank as early in the morning, the first thing, and I stop.
The first thing me I follow you go bank.
Alright, no problem.
And me and you we talk about it because my name can go up on the account same way.
Box of Irish drink.
Celine, me and your friend for a long time. Don't follow nobody.
Alright, Candy.
Hey, come on, so my money we have. Just try to pay a bit so much money you want. You see the amount of money? Where you could dirty foot boy.
Yes, mommy, I'm listening.
Give me friend.
Yes, mommy.
Jesus God. That's why in a real life, you know, if you put on people. You know, if you put your mouth on people, because you don't know how God a go uplift people and make them rise. Look how me class him. Then if that the dirty foot boy, they can have so much money and I'll get visa figure foreign. That means your papa have money. Because me always say class him as dirty foot too, he have money too.
Yes, mommy.
Me they go over there to him. He too bright, he have money. Lucky door. Come in, want
Babes, my daughter, what go on?
Oh, no blow your stinking thing where they smoke for me. No blow it for me. Oi, you think me no know say you have money?
Me?
You have money.
So where I get money from?
You have money.
How
so
you know
all
that?
the time, me they tell you say you're a dirty foot boy. And you now walk and you figure look work for mind your pitney. I just mind you never want mind your pitney. Cause that the dirty foot man there, when me used to cross a road, saying me I tell him saying I no money. The amount of money when road. No worry yourself about that. Don't worry yourself about that.
So, you know,
the amount of money where the dirty foot boy have, that means you can't have it because you want dirty foot man. You. So you're general. You give who you want give money.
Foot them clean to them and so them black.
You not no ambition. Because you have money they give woman a road and you not give your pitney none. You go come out of my place and you laugh. You go come out of my place.
We can't cry. No, no money can
no, you have to come out of my place. Come out of my place. You have to come out now. I'm serious. Because guess what? Me when they think about it for a long time, so me already pack your dirty thinking clothes and where you want me to wash without soap. Or your work list. In a one scandal bag. So you go take it and you go through the door. Me so no want to in here. Me say,
but must come in candy.
If you sleep in here tonight, God they come.
Make him come.
They say nobody no know when God they come, but if you sleep in here tonight, me know God they go come tonight. So guess what? Come out.
You really pack your bag?
Me mean right now you have to come out. What you mean if you really pack your bag? Come out! Me no want you in here, galang out!
Man, me no can do, me can survive, you know. We no alright, you know.
Galang out!
Everything good, man. I left me a country place to, you know. Normal free. Oh, I go on my daughter. And I left me a country for so. Yeah, man. But no, so me I was up here looking money for you, you know.
my finish my live your life.
Come on, woman, I just catch up a while and I left me a country in place right now. You see?
Yeah, woman.
I'm going to my birthday man give me one day. But me not think so. So she brown.
Sure, Jackie.
At that, me I said to so. Take but if you buy one person, all stuff. One at school.
Okay.
Oh.
So at that you do? Eh?
Remember say?
At that you do for a long time. I walk
and... my daughter, you know. She never want to tell a car, he's a mad man, you know.
Fran, she said that me no idiot.
Calm down, man, candy, man.
So at that you do for a long time.
She no favor me
I cheat. And breed woman and get pick me out the road. So are your daughter.
A long time she born, you know, before she, you know.
Are your daughter and your woman? And when you're done, you say no money. Hey, come on, you know what? The two no come out of me yard. The two no come out of me yard.